your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So taking you through the afternoon, I think we're going to see some fine weather as we head into about 3 o'clock. 70 degrees our air temperature, lots of clear sky out there. 61 as we head into 7 p.m. and getting a little cooler as we head into the evening, but tapering off a little slower than we did 24 hours ago. We'll look at 56 rather by around midnight, and then as you wake up tomorrow morning, we'll be cool, certainly cooler, but a little bit warmer than we were this morning when we hit in the mid 40s. Will be near the 50-degree mark this morning, still below average for this time of year. 66 degrees the current air temperature, dew point coming in at 45, and an east wind blustery at about 15. We'll have that breezy wind for the next few hours, then I think things will start to settle down just a little bit. Take you hour by hour through the afternoon. Cloud cover over on the other coast because of some scattered showers in the Atlantic. Those scattered showers producing that cloud cover with the easterly wind will bring some of that blow-off cloud our way a little bit later on today. No worries, though. I think all that will do will bring us even a nicer sunset tonight, framed by a very blue, deep sky. We'll have a few of these fair weather clouds reflecting the colors of the setting sun, and it should be very nice indeed. As I mentioned, the temperatures taper off and are cooler than average as we head into the nighttime hours, but I don't think we'll see anything in the way of any rainfall or fog forming. The air's still too dry for that. Some scattered showers perhaps over on the other coast coming in from that onshore wind flow there. But we stay dry right into tomorrow as well. Morning drive time should be fine. We're not going to stay dry, though, for the entire 7-day forecast. We do have a frontal boundary located just to our north by the time we get to Friday. That'll be just beginning to move into the panhandle. It'll take a couple of days for it to reach us, but by Sunday, I think that system will be on our doorstep. Tide and radar quiet right now across the entire state. Here's the long-range forecast that shows you what I mean. We get into Sunday and we start to see this system on our doorstep Sunday evening, at least in this computer model. Other computer models suggest that this arrival might be a little bit earlier in the day and maybe not have quite as much impact as this computer model implies. So I think it's fair to say that we have a decent chance at seeing some showers on Sunday, and we'll call it a first alert weather day. But I don't think the rainfall is going to be anywhere near as heavy as it was over the last weekend. Northeast wind at about 10 knots through the evening hours, maybe lightening up a little bit during the later afternoon. Choppy to a light chop with 2 to 3 foot seas. We have a 1:49 high tide, a low tide at 6:14, and another high tide at 11:51. Here's your forecast. We're looking at a breezy wind today with a daytime high of about 70. Chilly overnight, coming in at around the 50-degree mark. Thursday, we warm up a little bit to about 73, stay in the low 70s for several days in a row. And then on Sunday, we're going to cloud up a little bit. First alert weather day, 50% chance of showers, probably starting by mid-afternoon and lingering into the evening hours, and then clearing out early on Monday and keeping us not too terribly cold for the beginning of next work week. Scott?